Thank you, good luck. Bye. No, what's happening? What's happening? The cat. He said the people put away their guns. He said he was my friend. He lied. Oh, Mama, what should I do now?
Hold your head up high.
It's not always so easy to hold your head up high and appear bright and breezy. I thought dreams were made for a reason, but hope seems to fade with each season. Mama, you seem so far away.
Hold your head up high.
It's your voice that I hear.
Every day seems to be more empty than the last.
Hold your head up.
A shadow has been cast.
And all the while wandering, reminiscing, I keep wondering if she's missing.
Every tear a mother cries,
I
dream that's
miss
what's
her. Just knowing that you're out there will help me to get by until we're reunited.